Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu on Mac. While Asu is primarily designed for Windows, Mac users can absolutely join the fun. We'll explore a straightforward method involving a compatibility layer, allowing you to run the game smoothly on your Mac OS device. This process ensures you get the full, engaging Asu experience complete with all its features and community content. Get ready to tap to the beat. To begin, you'll need to download the official Asu installer, which is typically for Windows. Then, find a reliable Wine-based wrapper application specifically designed for Mac OS. Once you have both, launch the wrapper and use it to open the Asu installer. The installation process will then proceed much like it would on a Windows machine, guiding you through each step until the game is successfully installed on your Mac. After installation, it's time to optimize your Asu experience. Dive into the in-game settings to fine-tune graphics and audio for the best performance on your Mac. Make sure your input devices, like your mouse or drawing tablet, are properly recognized and calibrated. Don't forget to download and import your favorite beatmaps to start playing immediately. A personalized skin can also enhance your visual enjoyment. Encountering issues. Don't worry, there are common solutions. First, always ensure your Wine-based wrapper application is updated to its latest version for the best compatibility. If problems persist, check community forums. Many Mac users share solutions for specific glitches. Experiment with different in-game graphics settings, perhaps lowering them, if you experience lag or frame drops. Keeping your Mac OS updated can also resolve underlying system conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.